Yo, what is up, everyone? Let me see if this. Okay, nice. The stream's working. Welcome to day 119. So, I think it's pretty late right now, around 10:30, but maybe an hour before I go to bed. I kind of want to take a look at the cloud software market. So, I have here pulled up, there's this really cool Substack called Cloud Judgment. I think it's run by one of the portfolio managers at Altimeter Capital. I don't remember his exact name, but I think this is an interesting Substack with a focus on the cloud software market. So he has this list here of companies that he follows in his cloud index. And pretty much I want to be able to recreate this today so I can have something like this for myself. I feel like this could be pretty interesting because it's essentially a market map of the entire cloud software business. And I really want to be able to understand that as one of the tech analysts for the Sembit Fund, which is our student-led endowment. And also, if I want to be a great tech investor, I should probably know the names, or really all of these names, and see what's going on here. So let's just start from the top then and see what we can find. Yeah, I think, so I have these right here, but let's, Palantir, Cloudflare, CrowdStrike. So Palantir, I want to say, is like a data science, data foundry type business. They have, I want to say, software that can help create and label data. Cloudflare, I want to say, is a networking or maybe a web page hosting or really a server hosting business. CrowdStrike, I think, is some type of cloud-based cybersecurity. I remember that they had something, I think it's like a Falcon, CrowdStrike Falcon services or something. It sits at the kernel level on your operating system and essentially monitors the interactions, the processes, the data accesses in your computer. But I think maybe the actual software itself that's running to or is cloud-based. You do still have to have a local copy of that software, but maybe it transmits something over to like an AWS bucket. ServiceNow, I think, is a workflow management software. I want to say probably dealing with customer service, hence the service. That's my best guess. Samsara, I actually don't know. I think Datadog is maybe similar to a Splunk type software business where it's usually used for tracking and monitoring your applications, and it's a way of conducting developer operations. I think that's probably a good name, like a DevOps type thing, a DevOps type tool. Shopify, I would consider to be like an e-commerce platform, a platform where you can create your own shopping website, be able to list items, and then also collect payments from. HubSpot, I think, is a company that could be a demand side platform, a DSP. I'm not entirely sure. I know they do a lot of marketing analytics, so I think maybe it's a marketing analytics software. Palo Alto Networks, I think, is another cybersecurity company. I don't know exactly what their product is. Atlassian, I think they make Jira. Jira is another one of those workflow management softwares. Probably do some other stuff I don't fully know. Rubrik, no idea. Guidewire, OneStream, no idea. Klaviyo, I think, is very similar to HubSpot. I want to say they are in the business of running ads. So maybe ads on Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all those different types of social media platforms. I want to say that Klaviyo actually does get a majority of their income from Shopify. I think I remember reading up on their quarterly report that apparently a lot of their business does come from Shopify sellers that integrate Klaviyo's, I guess, API or platform into their Shopify website or Shopify store. Viva, I want to say, is some type of healthcare company. I don't know exactly what they do. Healthcare IT. Appfolio, no idea either. Zscaler, no idea. Autodesk, I think they're the company that makes CAD software. So I think CAD, I don't know what it stands for, but it's used by a lot of engineers, architects to create these 3D models that then can be used as a blueprint for designing or manufacturing a product, an engineering product, an electronic product, or even an actual house or property. GitLab, I want to say, is similar to GitHub. It's a place where you could use Git, maybe like a workflow control tool, like a code management tool. I guess that's how I would describe it. And then be able to store a code base. I think it's very similar to JFrog, create these artifacts. I think artifacts being like a software. C3, so I know they are some type of AI company. Monday.com, I think another workflow management. Dynatrace, I want to say, is... I remembered that in my JP Morgan internship, one of the executive directors was saying Dynatrace does something with threat management or code tracing. So if there's a problem with some type of software deployment, you could use Dynatrace to try to double click into what could be the root cause. I think that's what the term was called, like a root cause analysis to determine what is screwing up your system. Maybe something like that. Procore, no idea. Q2, no idea. Adobe, I want to say they are the software for design and photography. So Photoshop, Illustrator, Lightroom. They have their whole cloud. I forget what it's called, but like Adobe Cloud platform where you can essentially save everything on the cloud these days and also digitally on your computer. Salesforce, they create their customer relationship management platform and I think are trying to dabble into the AI agents business. Confluent, I want to say, I think is a platform for data streaming using Kafka, Apache Kafka. So being able to use that for, I think, financial services companies. Probably retailers, whenever you're buying something. Also, maybe streaming services could also use Kafka, like a Netflix. All right, HashiCorp, no idea. Workiva, I think is like a software conglomerate almost. I know they do stuff with SEC filings. I remember seeing their logo somewhere. MongoDB, it's one of those NoSQL database companies. Workday, I feel like it's used for HR management, so HR management software. I remember if I go to try to sign up for a job or enter my time, I think Workday is the software for doing that. Qualys, Paylocity, no idea what any of those are. Okay, so with this being said, let's do this. So Cloudflare, CrowdStrike, Service, Sam, Sara, Datadog, Shopify, HubSpot, Snowflake. Snowflake. Snowflake I think is a data warehouse company. So you have a lot of storage that happens in the cloud. You have these buckets, essentially long-term storage that's cloud-based. And I think the data warehouse is sort of this staging place where you can bring in data into this warehouse and then take that data, transform it somehow, and use effectively what I think they call compute to be able to, let's say, run some analysis, find the mean of millions of rows of sales data, something like that. But it's this place where you can kind of stage your data, pull in data from multiple sources, whether it's a bucket on S3 or it's a database, you have a MySQL database running on the cloud, or maybe it's some type of other Azure, Google Cloud storage item. Bring all of that into the Snowflake platform and then run some analysis on it. So that's when you can kind of scale and separate the compute and I think the storage part. I think that's the main idea of Snowflake. Palo Alto, Atlassian, Rubrik, Guidewire, OneStream. Oops. OneStream. Okay. Klaviyo, Viva, AppFolio, Zscaler, Autodesk, GitLab, C3, Monday.com, Dynatrace, Procore, Q2, Adobe, Salesforce, Confluent, HashiCorp, Workiva, MongoDB, Workday, Qualys, Paylocity. Okay. So let's turn all of these into stocks. Atlassian. Okay. Maybe online. I thought I am online. Okay, nice. C3 AI. Oops. Stock, ticker, exchange. Oop. Okay. Exchange. Okay. Then ticker. Nice. All right. So let's take all of these companies and then just ask ChatGPT if you can create like a 1-sentence summary. Can you be my equity analysis analyst and give me a 1 to 2 sentence summary on what these companies do in the cloud, the tech space? All of them are software-based. Tech-based. offers web performance and security services, providing including content delivery, DDoS migration. So, Internet of Things solutions for fleet and industrial operations to optimize performance and safety. Okay. So, and maybe it's a more industrial type business. Okay, so HubSpot is also a CRM, marketing, customer services softwares. Firewalls, advanced threat protections, so develops collaboration and Jira and Confluence. Okay, so Confluent. It's very confusing. Confluent and Confluence. Right. Provides cloud-based payroll and human capital management software. Okay. Provides enterprise cloud applications for finance. Oh, it's open source, really? Their Atlas platform? Offers cloud-based reporting and software solutions, compliance solutions for financial and non-financial data. Okay, so it's like the SEC filings then for infrastructure and multi-cloud infrastructure management. Cloud-based CRM, enterprise applications for sales, service, and marketing. So offers creative software products like a Photoshop and Acrobat alongside marketing and analytics tools. Okay, didn't know that. Digital banking and lending solutions for financial institutions. Yeah, my guess is a lot of these companies that are more vertical or that target specific verticals probably have less market cap. Cloud-based construction management software for builders and constructions. Okay, interesting. Procore. It develops a work operating system. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure what that means. Price. Okay. Provide DevOps tools. Okay, AutoCAD. Support software deployment workflows. Zscaler delivers cloud-based security solutions for businesses to protect their networks and data. Okay, so this is some type of okay. Affiliate provides cloud-based property management software for real estate professionals. Okay, I did not know that. Focus on cloud-based solutions for life sciences industry, including customer relationship management and clinical data management. Marketing automation and emailing tools. Oh, right, the marketing automation. Tailored for e-commerce businesses. Delivers corporate performance management software for financial planning and reporting. Maybe that's something similar to Workiva. Guidewire management software and backup solutions. Okay, this could be interesting actually. I know they did software for property and casualty insurance, managing core operations and analytics. Fairmont. Should have wrapped the text. Okay, leave this for now. All right. So now that we have the ticker, I think what we could do is, I think we try to find total addressable market cap. Okay, so let's try to find then the revenues. Okay, if we bring this all the way down, let's see. So we got null ai.k oso. One stream, so they do not have. It's interesting. So revenues, called gross profit, operating income, and then net income, cash flow, CF from operations. So $88 billion. Just off this alone. But we don't even have some of the offers, web performance. I think that's Cloudflare, including content delivery. IoT solutions for Samsara, probably. So I think it's C3 AI. Provides software intelligence for monitoring application performance and security, probably Zscaler. Delivers cloud-based CRM software and enterprise applications for sales, service, and marketing. HubSpot or Kiva? I think HubSpot or Salesforce. Okay. Yeah, I'm surprised this isn't working. CRM.k. Oops. Okay. What if I do this then? I take maybe it has to be a ticker. Or what if I instead of the exchange, I add the name. Okay. Is there a way I could get formulas? If not, I could probably just manually input it. But let's take a look, see if there's a way we could get the ticker. Okay. Ticker Cloudflare. What if we just delete the nice. Okay. Sam, Sarah, IoT, one stream. OS.O. OS.OQ. Let's see. Not too sure why that is not working. AI. Oh, it's just AI. It's cool. Dynatrace. So DT. And I think Salesforce CRM. Just take this. And we're Kiva. WK. Okay, nice. So now it's 100 billion. Gross profit. Gross profit. Gross income actual. Okay, yeah, I guess gross income is probably the best one. Right, and then gross profit margin, operating income margin, and then net margin, operating margin, and then gross margin. Operating income. Okay, category real estate. I wonder if there's like a last 12 months. Okay. Period is equal to last 12 months. Okay. Huh. If I add this here. Datadog. Surprised this doesn't work. There's nothing reported? So most of this is null, unfortunately. Okay. What if there is another? Last 12 months. Nice. Okay. Gross profit. Industrial and property companies. Net income. Maybe. I feel like this could probably work. I don't know what the .f does, but let's see. Gross margin. I'm surprised how come the net income margin is greater than. So most of these are like 80% net income margin. Damn. Needs this. Rubric. They are getting destroyed right now. Percent. Okay, what's Snowflake at? I feel like Snowflake. Negative operating margin. Yikes, yeah. Okay. Okay, so that is, I believe, so that's 33 companies. So there must be like 100 or so companies in this clutter judgment thing. Okay, let's see. Sentinel-1. And Cena, I have no idea what that is. Elastic, I think they do search, enterprise search. Actually, Sentinel-1 might be a, what do you call it? It could be one of those like marketing analytics companies, I want to say. Wix.com, so it's like a Squarespace create. Asana, I think that's another Workday, workplace management, workflow management. Braze, I want to say is some type of cybersecurity, JFrog, artifacts. So I think another DevOps type software business. DocuSign. Unity, I think it's a game engine. DocuSign, not sure, like just signing documents. I'm surprised they have that much money. Paycom, Smartsheet, Bill.com, Blackline Digital, Ocean, Freshworks. Tenable, definitely heard of that. That is a cybersecurity company. Okta, Identity Access Management, I think, based on OAuth 0. Being Sprout Social, I actually don't know. Zoom, UI, Path. Amplitude, I might as well get through all of them. So Twilio, PagerDuty, 5.9, Olo, JamF, Couchbase, Zora, Fastly, Sprinkler, Rings. I'm surprised that CoStar's not on here. Yext, Kaltura, BigCommerce, CS Disco, Riskified, Domo, 8x8. Swear there's something with 8x8 and Francisco Partners. Okay, so there's 7. Service Titan. PagerDuty. Let's see. DocuSign. Zoom Info Technologies. All right, let's take a look. What are these companies? What do these companies do? All right, new list of companies. Let's take a look. Paylocity, okay. Offers autonomous Cybersecurity solutions using AI. Okay, did not know that. I thought it was. I'm thinking of SEMrush, I think. Sentinel-1. Okay. Baking solutions. Develops the Elastic Stack. Search and analytics platform. Okay. Project management collaboration tool. Customer engagement software. DocuSign. Financial operations platform. Got it. Okay. Cloud-based. Simplify back office applications, including billing and payments. Freshworks. Detection. Okta, identity and access management. Okay, Bob sounds interesting. Cloud content management and file sharing platform for collaboration. It's like, yeah, what? Can AWS do any of that stuff? I thought so, right? Cloud-based storage, file storage. Okay. APN, low-code platform. Spread social, offers social media management software for businesses. Well, I think AppLovin, that would be interesting. AppLovin Corporation and Service Titan, SEMrush. I think all of these would be very interesting ones to add. Okay, Zoom communications. These companies as well. Robotic process automation software to automate repetitive business. Mobile app monetization and marketing solutions. So develop software solutions for home and commercial. Provides real-time engagement APIs. Offers unlimited communication solutions. APIs for live video, live audio, video, and interactive streaming applications. I wonder if Zoom ends up using any of these technologies. Not sure. Provides cloud-based platform for business intelligence and analytics. Okay. Riskified fraud detection, fraud prevention, and chargeback management solutions for e-commerce transactions. Just covering case management. Oh, law. Okay. Data management and monetization solution for enterprises, education. Okay. Digital knowledge management, cloud-based communication and collaboration solutions, customer experience management across social media. So I feel like it's similar to AppLovin, no? I guess AppLovin has its own ads then. Fastly. Stock. Probably went public through an SPAC then. Okay, what's the other one? Sprinkler. $2.7. Okay, so it actually makes money, but it seems to be declining. I think UiPath, yeah. Another one of those highs in 2021. Companies develops a NoSQL database. Okay, so maybe similar to MongoDB then. Apple device management solutions. So their entire business runs off of Apple. Interesting. Cloud-based contact center software for customer services and sales operations. So they are probably going to be at risk then of these call center companies, call center AI companies. Contact center as a service. Yeah, I wonder if it's interesting to be an incumbent in this AI. Yeah, I'm gonna highlight this. This does sound interesting. The call center as a service. 5.9. Oops. Call center as a service. Twilio. Stop. I guess Twilio probably might be benefiting. Let's see. PagerDuty. Cloud-based communication APIs for voice messaging and video creation. So I think you could be able to programmatically text people with Twilio. Product analytics platform to help businesses operate. Okay. Let's see. Nice. So this is, oops. 80 companies, seems like. Yep. Okay. Yeah, so gross margins are pretty high, but the operating expenses, that's where it gets pretty rough here. Seems like median. If error, just 20. Oops. Let's do like a, oh wait, do this, 57% gross, 10% net and operating. Okay, let's do median then. Okay, so the median software company today, cloud software company, has a negative operating income. Yeah, that's, what about max? Max. %. Adobe. Okay, so they have the highest, but they're also one of the most mature companies out of all of these, right? Okay, so with that, I will probably end this here. All right, what has 37%? 34.7%. Cloudflare? No. 0.7. 0.347. DocuSign, damn. Okay, I did not realize. Probably had some operating expenses or something, non-operating expenses or non-operating income that was added back to it that inflated it arbitrarily. But yeah, this is very cool. So this kind of tells us a lot about this software industry. I think just from pure fundamentals, 174, I'd imagine, I think market caps today are probably going to be pretty high. Oh God. My guess is somewhere in the $1 trillion range if we were to take a look at the market cap of these companies today. And I think all of them are US based. I could be wrong, but oh man, okay, it's pretty late. I'm gonna have to go soon. market cap. G37. Okay. Set market cap. I don't know if this is the right one actually. Let's workspace, build formula. AWS. Okay, let's use USD. So I'm thinking, yeah, because we saw in the S&P 500, I think the global 1200 indexes, the IT industry itself, infotech, was trading at like an 8x EV to sales. So with market cap, I'd probably say it's around that 8x to 7x. So that would lead to about like a 1.2 trillion, $1.3 trillion market cap. Let's take a look. And we actually still don't have a lot of these. This is 2 trillion. Huh. Yeah, it's a lot more than I thought. It's 11x. Damn, man. Damn. These guys are trading at pretty high multiples. 20x. Look at the operating. 106x. Yeah. Oops. Wait. Nice. Okay. So I'm gonna end this stream here, but it seems like we found an industry where a lot of the companies are trading at pretty crazy multiples. I think if you look at the operating income, net income multiple alone, based on the market cap, I mean, it's like 100x. Right, this is $11x revenue multiple, 106x operating income multiples. Yeah, it's a lot. Okay, so with that, I'm gonna end the stream here. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.